Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can fix Microsoft Store stuck on pending when downloading, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So let me show you first. I'll open the Microsoft Store. Now if I click on this, and if I click on this get button, then there will be like a circle right here that is continuously loading, and it will state that pending download, or there's a pending download right here, then that will not be fixed if you're just going to wait for it and do nothing. So you need to do something about it in order for it to be fixed, in order for that pending when downloading to be fixed. So simply close this window first, then press the Windows key and R button together. In here you need to type ws reset.exe wsreset.exe and then click on OK. So this will clear or reset the Microsoft Store cache. So once you have entered the command wsreset.exe, just simply continue on searching for the application or game that you want to download and install into your Windows, and then that will be fixed. Next method is search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar, right click and then select Run as Administrator. Then here I'm going to paste this command. Do not worry, this will be posted in the description section of this video, and then hit on enter. So we just need to wait for this. So once done, just type exit and then hit on enter. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. Method number 3, search for Store in the Windows search bar. Now right click on it and then select App Settings. Then here in the Microsoft Store, scroll down and you will find this repair. If the system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system component's data won't be affected. Now you have to click on repair. So once you have clicked on repair, open your Microsoft Store and try to download again your favorite game or application and see if the problem has been fixed. Now if not, go back to the same window. If the system component still isn't working right, reset it. The system component's data will be affected. You have to click on reset and then reset once again. So once you have done with this part, simply close this window and then just make with a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So once you have done that, then the problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.